Bananas are rich in healthy nutrients and has multi-skin benefits. It helps to keep your skin well nourished and smoothens your skin. It also helps in skin lightening as well as prevents wrinkles and fine lines. It helps you to tighten your skin and closes your open pores. For making this face mask, what you need is 1 ripe banana, half teaspoon honey and 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Take 1 ripe banana and mash it in a bowl. Now add half teaspoon honey and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in it. Now mix all the ingredients well and apply on your face. Leave this mask on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash your face with water. Your skin will be super soft and moisturized. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.